Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is ache. 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 Ache is a noun that refers to a continuous or persistent pain or discomfort, typically characterized by a dull, throbbing sensation. It can be used to describe physical, emotional, or psychological discomfort. Here are some examples. Example number 1, she felt an ache in her heart after the breakup. Why ache is used in example number 1. Ache is used to express the emotional pain of a broken heart. Example number 2, the loss of her pet left her with a deep ache. Why ache is used in example number 2. Ache conveys the emotional distress caused by a loss. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.